Squarespace 7.1 is the newest version of Squarespace. It's streamlined and intuitive with more options for adding and styling content. It includes many features not available in Squarespace 5, such as e-commerce, site-wide animations, email campaign options, and sophisticated analytics. Because Squarespace 5 and Squarespace 7.1 are such different platforms, you'll first import content into Squarespace 7.0, then update the site to Squarespace 7.1. Follow the 8 steps in this video, and if you get stuck at any point, reach out to our customer support team for help. Step 1. Start a Squarespace 7.0 trial and then import your content. To start a Squarespace 7.0 trial, you'll need a separate account, rather than logging in with your Squarespace 5 credentials. You can use the same email address for both accounts. To start your trial, first visit this URL. Click All Templates, then go to the Brine demo site and click Start with this design. Then sign up for your new version 7.0 account or log into your existing account if you already have one. Next, import blogs, pages, and comments directly into your Squarespace 7.0 trial site. To do this, visit Settings, and within the Website menu, open the Import and Export Content panel. Click Import, then in the Import Site menu, click V5. In the Account URL or Login field, enter your login. Then begin import. Step 2. Update to Squarespace 7.1 and enable your pages. Now that you've imported your content into a Squarespace 7.0 site, you'll update the site to version 7.1. Return to the main menu, then click Website, Design, and then update to version 7.1. Click Get Started, and then Preview Site in 7.1. After the preview populates, click Publish, then Publish 7.1 site. After that, you'll no longer have access to the 7.0 version of your site, but it won't affect your existing Squarespace 5 site. Click Continue Editing, then refresh the page. You're now in the Pages panel of Squarespace version 7.1. All your imported pages are in the Not Linked section and disabled. You'll need to enable these pages to make them visible on your live site. To enable each page, hover over the page name and click the gear icon to open Page Settings. Click the Enable Page toggle on and save. You should also set one page as your home page while you're in its page settings. This creates the landing page for your site. You can change this at any time. If you imported a blog that had comments on it, open the Blog Preferences panel on your new site, click Comment Settings, then check Enable Comments Globally. Update the comment settings if needed, and then save and close the Settings panel. Your imported comments should now appear on all blog posts. Step 3. Replace images on pages and posts. Any images on your pages and posts have imported as code blocks instead of image blocks. Some of these images may need to be replaced with image blocks, or they will break when your Squarespace 5 site closes. We recommend replacing all code block images on your site with image blocks. Image blocks have built-in features such as shapes and animations that code blocks don't have. The images are saved to your Squarespace 7.1 site's asset library, so you don't have to re-upload them from your computer when you replace the code blocks. Step 4. Manually add remaining content. Content on pages, picture galleries, and journal posts have transferred to your new site, but you'll need to add any remaining content manually. Squarespace 7.1 doesn't have a file storage area. Instead, upload files to links within text, navigation, and click-through images. You can also embed PDFs. Step 5. Customize your site. Click the links in the left panel to navigate to all your new site's options. If you can't find a panel, use the search icon. If you don't see the left panel after logging in, you may be in preview mode. Click the expand arrow to continue editing. The site header displays at the top of all pages on your site. To customize your header, you can add your site title, add navigation links, and style your header. To add pages to your new site, click the plus icon in the Pages panel. For Squarespace 7.1, the equivalent of Squarespace 5's style mode is Site Styles. To open the Site Styles panel, click the paintbrush icon while editing any page. There, you can edit your site's global styles, such as fonts and colors. You can make more fine-tuned changes by editing individual sections. Step 6. Check your URLs. To make the transition to your new site seamless, it's important to ensure your Squarespace 7.1 site's URLs match the URLs on your Squarespace 5 site. This will prevent your visitors from seeing dead links and page not found error messages. To do this, click the expand arrow on your Squarespace 7.1 site while on any page to see its URL. Then compare it to the same page on your Squarespace 5 site. Everything after the .com should look the same. We recommend checking each page on your site and at least one blog post on every blog page. Step 7. Launch your site. When your site is ready to launch, upgrade it to make it visible to the public. Most people wait until their site is live before they move their custom domain, so that the URL always directs visitors to an active site. We recommend reviewing the different plan options before upgrading to ensure you choose a plan that has the features and number of contributors you'll need. Next, move your custom domain so that the URL directs visitors to your new site. How you move the domain depends on how you registered it. If you have a domain from another provider like GoDaddy or Network Solutions connected to your Squarespace 5 site, log into your Squarespace 5 site and click Website Management. Then click Custom Domain. Hover over your domain name and click Unlink. After the domain is unlinked, follow our steps to connect it to your new site. If you registered a custom domain through us on Squarespace 5, first ensure you have an email set in your Squarespace 5 administrator account. Log into your Squarespace 5 site. In the Website Management bar, click Member Accounts, then click your name. In the Member Information section, ensure the email shown in the email field is correct, and then save your changes. Next, contact us and we'll move the domain to your new Squarespace 7.1 site. Include the following information: subject, the custom domain, the Squarespace URL for your original Squarespace 5 site, the Squarespace URL for your new Squarespace 7.1 site, and the full name and last 4 digits on the credit card used to pay for your Squarespace 5 site. And please contact us using the email address on file for your Squarespace 7.1 site. Step 8. Cancel Squarespace 5 billing. Once you're ready to exclusively use your Squarespace 7.1 site, you can cancel your Squarespace 5 site to avoid paying for 2 sites simultaneously. To cancel, follow the steps in canceling and deleting a site guide. Congratulations, your Squarespace 7.1 site is now live. We hope you're starting to feel comfortable with the new interface, and we encourage you to explore our Squarespace 7 Help Center to learn about all the new features you have available. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.